Welcome to today's news.
National Choir Research and Management Institute has invited application for the post of technical officer. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website https://kpesrb.kerala.gov.in. Scale of pay 26,500 to 56,700. Qualification: First class MSc in microbiology from a recognized university. Age limit should not exceed 36 years as on the date of notification. The registration process begins on October 29, 2024. The last date to apply is November 30, 2024. Get more details from official website of National Choir Research and Management Institute. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.